Global happenings today. We communicate. We analyze global news.
Hello, great people. Welcome back to Global Happenings today. Still talking about Rivers State. Interesting things are really coming up over the issues that is going on in Rivers State. Don't forget that Fubara has replied them. But then, just this evening, something popped up, and it has to do with the fact that the pro-Wike lawmakers, 27 of them, have decided to withdraw a suit against INEC, PDP, and others. Let me give you an idea of what had happened before now. Now, there was this report that the 27 lawmakers loyal to former governor of Rivers State, Nyesom Wike, had filed a suit to restrain INEC from conducting fresh election to fill their seats on the grounds of defecting from People Democratic Party to the All Progressive Party, APC. They had initially filed an ex parte application on 15 December against the respondents in the suit. That's INEC, PDP, the Rivers State House of Assembly, the Clerk of the House of Assembly, the Inspector General, and the State Security Service. And in that particular suit that they filed, they sought 5 prayers in the suit. And it was reported that another judge of the Federal High Court in Abuja, Donatus Okorowo, had in December 2023 issued an interim order restraining INEC from conducting fresh election to fill their seat. Mr. Okorowo, who gave the ruling following an ex parte application moved by the lawmakers to the defected lawmakers, Peter Onu, also restrained the INEC, PDP, and the Rivers State House of Assembly from declaring their seats vacant and withdrawing their respective certificate of return pending the hearing and determination of the motion on notice. The judge also granted an interim injunction restraining the Inspector General of Police and the SSS from denying or refusing to provide security for the plaintiff, that's for those 27 lawmakers, or withdrawing their security details or personnel for the purpose of enabling them to continue with their performance of their constitutional, legislative, and oversight function pending the hearing and determination of the motion on notice, among others. But shockingly, as we are talking right now, they have decided to go to the court and withdraw that suit against INEC, which means they knew very well that by virtue of their defection, they are supposed to be stripped of their office. They are supposed to cease function. I mean, there are a lot of things in law that needs so much explanation. Someone just committed a crime or went against the provision of the Constitution and then ran to the court and say, I know I have run against it, but then I need an ex parte order that whatever that is meant to come against me, whatever the Constitution has provided, which I am supposed to be subjected to, should not come against me, and it will be granted. Let me give you details of what just happened today. Now, according to the news, the Federal High Court in Abuja on Wednesday struck out a suit. I'm talking about that particular suit they filed by 27 lawmakers of the Rivers State House of Assembly, led by Martin Amowole, against the Independent National Electoral Commission, INEC. The judge, Peter Lifo, in a ruling, struck out the suit after it was withdrawn by the lawmakers who were plaintiff in the case. The 27 lawmakers filed a notice of discontinuance of the suit through their lawyer J. Akubo on Wednesday. Mr. Lifo observed that hearing had yet to commence on the suit, which the lawmakers commenced by a right of summon. According to him, he said they are pending application for joiners in this suit. There is also an application for change of counsel. Aside, there is an application to regularize processes, among others. The judge said that the position of the law is that a plaintiff can discontinue a suit as a right before the date fixed for hearing of the suit. Based therefore on their above reasoning and conclusion, the notice of discontinuance dated and filed on the 30th day of October 2024 hereby succeed, and the instant entire suit is hereby struck out. That is what our Ogbonge judge Peter Lifo just said. Now it leaves Nigerians with so many questions. What is going on? Why all of a sudden are they striking out this? This one is grapevine because it's coming from Sahara Reporters. Sahara Reporters said that they have gone as far as retrieving the war that they have defected from the people, from the PDP to the APC, that they have retrieved it. That is what Sahara Reporter just said. And since I think because they have retrieved it according to Sahara Reporter, they had to now go and strike off the case. So in other words, they are trying to send out a message that there was no defection. We never defected. Don't forget that this issue of defection had been the basis on which Governor Fubara is standing on, and every other person is standing on. So which means when they defected, they knew very well after defection that automatically their seats will be declared vacant, and INEC will be asked to carry out an election to fill those vacancies. The next thing they did was to run to the court and got an ex parte order. My God, I don't know if some of our very top lawyers and those who have practiced law in Nigeria, who have passed on, if they wake up from their grave to see what is going on, how they will feel. This is shocking and unbelievable. This is shocking and unbelievable. And now listen to what Lifo said. Lifo was saying that they have the right to strike out again. I'm wondering if this will not also be something that will be referred to when this issue of defection is treated. I'm just wondering. Because all of this issue of them going to court, seeking for Fubara to come and represent this thing, they've called for the stoppage of the funding and all of that. I'm wondering what has given them that impetus to take that move. But from all indication, it seems they are perfecting everything to ensure that they're perfecting everything to prove that there was no existing affidavit on ground that they have defected. I don't know how this will be handled, but I think this is a very interesting case that Fubara and his legal team need to sit back, and see how they can fix this thing, because this is quite shocking, I must say. Nobody believed that at a time like this kind of thing can pop up. So they knew what would be the impact of their movement. So they had to run immediately and got an ex parte order. And now they have decided to cancel that ex parte order or cancel the suit for some flimsy reason that has been given. Let's see how the judges will handle this one all. I'm talking about Fubara, because Fubara needs to wake up and do the needful. He needs to really, really wake up and do the needful, because based on what we are seeing right now, everything is running by the law. Unfortunately, somebody is controlling the judiciary. But let him also build a strong and formidable legal team that can save him from these plots that we are seeing, because it's actually like a plot. Let's see if the legal team of Fubara will be able to rescue him. We'll leave it there. Let's be in that conversation and talk more.